What's up, everyone? How is it going? Let me to present you this great looking cinematic preset for Lightroom which we made according to your requests this week. Do not forget, you also can download the preset on our website, presetstore.com. The link is down below the video. Just pay your attention to the right top corner, where you will find the password which appears twice during the video. Also, we made the same color correction for video. So now you can have your photo and video content in one style. Which is awesome, isn't it? You are able to use this loot in any video editor you got. Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut and even VN Editor for mobile phones. You can find the link to the video loot down below in the description. Guys, if you need the preset right now, if you have no time to watch this video and repeat after me or look for a password to download it for free, you can just go to our website presetstore.com and find your favorite color correction there. It's not for free but it's worth that. Every presets contains from 3 to 6 versions for PC and mobile platforms of Lightroom. Check it out, guys. Let's start creating the preset.
Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. No, but the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the banya, I was covered in a tidal wave, But I'm a fighter, trying to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You watch it release in the dead of night. In the dead of night. Baby, when it's do or die, you know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align in the dead of night. 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 You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came. Baby, it was dark, it was hard to see. And that's when the spark lit inside of me. Oh, I was lost from reverie. Oh, one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, what you please. Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. No. But the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the banya, I was covered in a tidal wave, But I'm a fighter, try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You are release in the dead of night. In the dead of night. Baby, when it's do or die, you know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align in the dead of night. 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 You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came. Baby, it was dark, it was hard to see. And that's when the spark lit inside of me. Oh, I was lost from reverie. Oh, one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, one day you will see I found my inner peace. You are release in the dead of night.
We've done it. It looks very nice now. Definitely much better than it was before. I just hope that you got the same result. Guys, if you haven't found the preset that you need, just leave you comment below and describe that you wanna get, and probably the next art tutorial will be about your color correction. So, that's it for now. Enjoy your new preset, and see you again.